Good morning, children. Welcome to the virtual class. And this is your maths class. And I have already taught you numbers from number 1 to 5. I have already taught you. Now, before we start writing, today I will be teaching you how to write within the lines or the squares of maths copy. So today I will start with the pre-writing strokes. Okay, so are you all ready, children? Yes. So now you can see this is your M1 copy. Can you see? Is it visible, children? This is your maths 1 copy. Okay, so you will make a copy, maths copy, and you will do the work in your maths copy. Okay, this maths copy has pages like this. Okay, it has squares all over the pages, and you have to learn how to write within this square. Okay, so today I will teach you how to write within the square, and first of all we'll start with the standing line. Okay, the very first pre-writing stroke is standing line. Okay, so now the date is, today is 23.6.21. So first of all we write the date, then I'm going to write here the heading, pre-writing strokes. Pre-writing strokes. Okay, and the very first stroke is standing line. Standing line. We have already learned in English, children, standing line, how to write within the 4 lines of the English copy. Now here I will show you how to write within the squares. Okay, so your maths copy has pages like this. Okay, it has squares all over the pages. So we are going to write standing line. So what you will do is you will leave first line. After writing this, you will leave one line, and this first square leave from the second square. This is the second square. Can you see? So from this square, what you will do, you from the very center of the line, this is the center of the line, from the center of the line you will draw a straight line like this, standing line. What is this line called? A standing line. Okay, children, and your line should not come out of the square. Okay, this is one square. You have to write within the square. Okay, once again see, leave one square, leave this square, and you come to the next square, and here also from the center you will write like this. You draw a standing line till this bottom line. Okay, your this standing line should not come out of the line. Okay, it should be within the square. Once again watch, again leave one square, and then again come to the next square. Then from this square you draw a line, straight line like this. But can you see this? Is it right, children? No, it is not right, because this standing line is coming out. It is crossing this blue line. Can you see this blue line? It is crossing this blue line and coming out of the line. That means this is wrong. Okay, right? It should not come out of the line. Again watch, from the center, this is from here. You are not going to write like this from here. From first line till the second line, you are not going to draw line like this. This is also wrong. Okay, this line should not touch this above line. Okay, this side line and this side line. It should only touch this bottom line. Okay, come to the next line. Again, you have written here standing line. You leave this square, this whole line you will leave. Okay, leave this square, and then from the next square again you will write like this, standing line. Okay, got it, children? Once again, leave one square and again from the center draw a straight line like this. This is called standing line. Again leave a square and a straight line. Again leave a square and again a straight line like this. This is called standing line. Again leave this square, come to the next square, from here again write like this. Leave one square, standing line. Leave one square, standing line. Again leave one square and standing line. Okay. Again leave this square, this whole line you will leave, and next line you will write. Okay. Again from the center, don't start from the top. Okay. Don't start from here. Start from the center and draw a straight line till the bottom line here and stop. Again leave one square, standing line. Leave one square, standing line. Leave one square and a standing line. Okay children, like this you are going to do this work in your which copy? M1 copy. Okay, so this is your make a new copy, M1 copy, and in this you are going to do your work very neatly. Can you see this work? Ma'am has written. Can you see? Is it visible? Isn't it neat? Yes, na? I have written very neatly. I hope it is visible to you. Yes, children. So, in this way, you are going to write your work. You are going to do the work very neatly in your maths copy. This is your maths copy, M1 copy. Fine, children. And practice it at home in your rough copy also. Okay? So that when we start writing the counting numbers, you do your work very neatly. God bless you, children.